Hello everyone! In this video we are going to find out what British have for Christmas dinner. Let's get started. Roast turkey. That is the main course. The dish first appeared on Christmas tables in England in the 16th century. Stuffing. It's a mixture of food such as breadcrumbs, onions and herbs, which is used to fill turkey. Stuffing is also served as a side dish. Pigs in blankets. They are small sausages wrapped in bacon. It's almost impossible to imagine Christmas dinner without vegetables. Roast potatoes, red cabbage, roast parsnip, Brussels sprouts. Britons say it won't be a traditional meal without those weird little cabbages rolling about next to the turkey. Red currant jelly, that is red currant sauce, which is eaten with turkey. Gravy, sauce made of juice which runs out of meat during cooking and thickened with flour. Christmas pudding. In the past, it was called plum pudding, boiled and dried long before Christmas. Minced pies. Sweet pies filled with a mixture of fruit and spices. Their shape represents Jesus sleeping in a cradle. Trifle is a popular layered dessert, a layer of sponge cake, fruit, custard and whipped cream. Custard, a baked sweetened mixture of eggs and milk. What about you? What's your favorite Christmas dish? Write in comments. Merry Christmas to you and your family. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn English.